All right, so we're back at it again. This is another project that I did for someone, and I just want to share this experience and knowledge with you all on this website that I built. I also am planning on making like help videos just to kind of give you all understanding of why you have to learn certain things in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and React as well, or I should say like the dependencies and the stacks. Maybe in the future I will think about making videos like that, but for now I'm just showing you all projects that I have done, and all these here are functional working. As I can't really show too much because there is some personal information to it. Can't really dive deep into exactly what I can show you all. Basically, like what you've seen so far. If you look at the top right corner, you can see that there's English and Spanish. So I can basically toggle to change this to Spanish. Okay, apparently it just doesn't want to work today. Promise you all it worked. Now just an epic fail there. The home page, just normally is giving the customers like information on what the client does. If you go to like services, you can see that obviously there's a little flash that's just telling the customer like the different type of services that the person can do. They see that there's emissions like about us as well, and the contact page. You can put information into the contact page to the person know whatever message that you want to send them. Like you can send it to them. You can also like leave reviews as well. And then one of the most important parts is the booking reviews. So the customer can just fill out the form. And I say I can't really click on too much here because my actual like name and emails and stuff will pop up here. So yeah, the customer can like basically fill out this form here, and it will, once they fill out this form, it will basically go to the database, and also it will go to the email as well of the engineer. And also like there's the links to their social media accounts. Like you have like the footer. If I go back here, there's this like little link here, so you can just go to see that it takes you exactly to there, to like the booking appointment page. If you scroll along as well, like there's like a newsletter as well. I can't click on it because all my emails would show. What the customer can do is simply just enter information into this input field here, and basically like they'll be signed up to a email newsletter from the engineer. So that's pretty much it here for this. Make sure you like the video, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you back in another video.